This is the biggest wheel I've ever sold. No bull. Are you sitting down for the price? Look how hot this is.
Stop! Stop! You're joking!
For those of you Americans that think that we ain't got a big wheel scene, we do.
Like, I feel like this video, like, I don't even know how to say it.
Now I know why it's $1 million car.
Holy f***ing moly, bro.
Sticks is getting the angle grinder out today. Sticks is the real Nakai son. I've been cutting Rolls Royce Cullinan since they came out. Never mind old Porsches.
Guys, this is my mom. Big mama, she's the APAR over here, so when you guys owe us the money, she's the one calling you hounding, so pay your f***ing bills, baby.
Sold these wheels to my buddy Mike a few years back. Now they got a new truck, and this one doesn't have any suspension work on it. And we just gotta retrofit these wheels to work without any rubbing. Just like that, no more rubbing.
What do we got? The big bank, big wheels. We always ship on pallets because we want to ensure headache-free, damage-free, stress-free delivery. Bada bing, bada boom. But we're gonna need 4 people to carry those things. Guys, Canada's only set of 30x16s just arrived. We do it one way over here. We do it big. Yo, these guys are, honestly, Forgiato, you guys are so fucking sick. Yo, they just gave me free floater caps for my customer. Look at this. I just saw that in the box, look. Floating caps. Yo, honestly, shout out the Big F gang, Big Forgiato gang. Much love. We love selling the product. You just made my day because I'm about to make my customer's day. This guy just got a free Forgiato floater cap upgrade, baby. Jeez, let's go, baby.
Those of you Americans that think that we ain't got a big wheel scene, we do. We got an Impala on 6s and we got a Bentley on 24s right here, and we just did that truck on 30s. It's that Florida shit right here.
71 Chevy Vert. Make sure you guys subscribe to his YouTube. Yeah, you gotta get back on it though.
I am.
I noticed you because I checked up on your page the other day.
Yeah, man.
I'm like, yo, he has to start posting
Content.
again.
Like I should have did the QA1 stuff, but time and everything is just hard.
Chevy riding high, boy. Caprice on 26-inch Forgiatos, only at Premier Tire, baby. Ain't anywhere else in Canada. Carmen said it's a Caprice, I said it's an Impala. I was right, now we gotta refilm that.
You have to see that real light. This one, huh? When you have white, that's Impala.
You hear that? You hear that? You hear that? OG knows. OG knows. What was that, Haru?
If you don't have this, that's me Caprice.
Bro, we all started dying.
That's it. You know,
I didn't know. Did you?
You learned from the old school.
Did you know? I didn't.
I didn't know. I just learned something today.
Either.
Brother, I love learning something new every day. Listen, we drive everything here. I drive Cullinans, I drive Ferraris, I drive Lambos. But when I'm driving that drop top 74 Caprice, it's a different feeling, man. It ain't nothing like that.
Or a 90s Honda, baby.
No problem. Bring it over. Or if you can't bring it over, I can send my mobile unit out to you. Yeah, I'll do it right away. You can wait for it immediately. VIP for you guys. Come on. Bye. It's one of my guys, big car collector, Big Tim. Shout out Timmy. And got to do a fix right now. So I offered mobile service. We do have a mobile service solution as well for guys that have car collections, guys that are stuck on the side of the road, stuck in their driveways, etc. We can send our mobile team out to fix a flat for you, change tires out, do a winter swap, summer swap, whatever it is, tire, wheel related, we can do it at your doorstep. Just call us. Small premium charge, but premium service gets a premium charge for a premium client.
You guys are not even ready for this. I'm not even ready. Like, I feel like this video, like, I don't even know how to say it. Good morning.
Oh, they're expecting you at the brown mid-direction.
All right.
Sir, you already know what it is. When we're doing these big jobs, I gotta do a big check-in. I'm gonna stay here the whole time, make sure everything goes smooth. My guys slap. We're doing 6 cars today, and every single one is gonna be a slapper. So make sure you guys just stay tuned and enjoy this vlog, baby. Oh, we got the caps off.
These two did. The other two?
No?
Someone put them on with them.
We'll figure it out. Stop this, baby! That's why the boss does the check-ins on these big jobs. They make sure everything goes smooth like a baby bump. Alright, we're gonna bang. We're doing 6 cars today. We're doing G63 24-inch Gianelle Cabos, Toyo tires. Next car is going to be a McLaren 765. We're going to do a PT stance pack. What that consists of is properly fitted spacers with longer bolts, and we're going to bring the OEM wheels out nice and flush with the fenders. Third vehicle we'll do is SF90. We're going to do Forgiatos. Next vehicle we'll do is going to be a Ford F350. We're doing 30x16s. Then we're also going to do a Porsche Turbo S992. We're going to do Dimag AL13 collab. It's the R80. Crazy wheels. And what can I forget? One more. We got the Blazer SS 2025 Blazer SS. We're doing 24-inch Savini forge wheels. So man, it's gonna be hit after hit after hit. Just enjoy this vlog. That's all I can say. That Japanese guy that comes to the town and he cuts up all these Porsches, but they don't talk about that guy that goes to other towns and cuts up the exotics. I'll introduce you to him. really, really nice spec as well. Look at it under the sun. You can actually see it's like an orange pearl. Really just sets off the orange accents on this car. So this one here got a PT stance pack. What that consists of is longer bolts and spacers to make the wheels nice and flush. I'd like to go a little bit more flush on the fronts. However, this vehicle dips on the corners when you corner hard, and if you do that, it will rub. So this is the maximum we can go with no issues. It looks absolutely fabulous, and we got a couple more cars to do, so let's go, baby.
Airbags might go off in a truck.
You can throw your back up, bro. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Oh my god. Yo, it's like
What the?
Yo, it's like, you know, when the magnifying glass when
I
you're
didn't
a
even
kid?
believe that though.
Yo, that's crazy, bro. That's actually crazy, bro. Watch it. Yo, watch. Look how hot this is.
Stop! You're joking.
Yo, that's so crazy. The rush means basically all the Forge brands we deal with offer rush fees. It's an extra premium cost, but they guarantee the wheels much faster. So for example, these were built in 10 days for us. The SF90 that we're also doing were also built in 10 days for us. Fully finished everything. The AL13 Dimags were also built in 5 days for us, believe that. And the Savinis were built in 2 days for us. Every Forge set that we're installing today inquired a rush fee as well. And that's how it goes when you want to deal with the best. We deliver the best. We're gonna get the EV SS Blazer locked and loaded on the hoist. This is for you guys in the comments that always ask why I don't use a hoist. So I'm gonna use one just for you guys. Couple other cars we're not gonna do on hoist because it's just more convenient for us not to. But yeah, man, stay tuned. It's gonna be the first Blazer SS EV in Canada on 24-inch Forge wheels. We're doing a lot of firsts here this time, guys, so just stay tuned and enjoy this vlog like I said. Look how sick this looks now. Does it touch?
So no, it doesn't.
The only ones in Canada with the ANYLEVEL lift because they're from Texas. So I had to get this truck from BC. Under here you can see it's got a huge battery pack. So it's like the EV lift. There's no more compressors, no more pumps.
And that battery probably lasts like 5 years.
Yeah, and then the front arms are like Transformers arms. So it lifts up, watch.
So fucking crazy. That's actually crazy.
You didn't know it, did you?
That's actually crazy. So I'll give you guys a tip. When we do mobile calls, we just pump everything up to 50 to 60 and we just drop the pressures to the vehicle spec. Bro, look how crazy these wheels look. And a way better stance too.
Well, since I got the carbon grill and then I put the side carbon and added this, holy crazy. And it flows with everything.
Bro, it flows with everything. Pista Maglia ECLs. You see that SF90 back there? Maglia ECLs. Both brought by Michelin's. Both done by Premier Tire, baby. Let's go. Putting those F's on those F's. Yo, it's crazy because I'm just trying to get the Ferraris in it, and then there's a crazy ass Porsche in the background too. Guys at Forgiato. So this is my boy. Hold on. This is my boy Josh. That's John. That's John from Forgiato. They called at the right time. Watch this. He's really appreciative of how quick we got them done as well.
Super happy customer of Forgiato and Premier.
You just say that again.
Super happy customer of Forgiato and Premier.
Thank you, Ron. Appreciate it.
Let's go. Okay, John. I'll call you later, my guy. Bye bye. Bye. Beauty. Perfect timing for the phone call. Yo, honestly, I think the 488 Pista is faster than the SF90.
I was taking it easy.
So now, let's go back to the part where I said, you guys are not ready for today. Because even I wasn't ready. I'm still not ready for today. I'm in today. What's going on?
Yo, how fast did Carmen go? Tell the truth.
Are we allowed to say it though?
No, we are.
We are? No.
Holy fucking moly, bro. Alright guys, so this was a crazy hectic day. We ended it up having some fun. Work hard, you play hard, baby. And full disclosure, man, like I said, our client said, catch up if you can. I went into my Leonardo DiCaprio vibes, and I will keep up. And I will catch you if I can.
You weren't ready. You weren't ready. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
See that right? With the camera recording, man.
I miss you, man. I miss you, Andrew. See you, man.
Myself and all my 4Gs.